see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them. Off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
I'm so pleased to see you. Guess what? Tula, Ivor and I are trying to think of a new game that a monkey would like to play. Have you got any ideas?
How about a monkey rhyme?
That's a hooby groovy idea, but I don't know any monkey rhymes.
But we do. There was a naughty monkey who jumped on the bed.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart.
They're fun. They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them. Off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart, they're fun, they know.
Hoobledoop, Tiddly Peeps.
Hoobledeep, Tula.
Want to do a hooby hello?
Yes. Hoobledeep. Hoobledeep. Woo, woo, woo.
Now, do you know anything about dancing?
Well, we know about ballet. We'll show you some if you like.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them. Off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Hoobledoop, Tiddly Peep. Tiddly Peep, wake up. I'm sorry to wake you, Tiddly Peep. I've tried everything to get to sleep, but it just isn't working.
Have you tried cuddling something?
Cuddling?
Hooby
Does
groovy.
cuddling help?
Yes. Can I cuddle you, Ivor?
Of course you can. That's really hoobacious. But what can I cuddle?